National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Allegheny County in northwestern North Carolina, northern Surrey County in northwestern North Carolina, northwestern Stokes County, south central Pulaski County in southwestern Virginia, southern Floyd County in southwestern Virginia, east central Worth County in southwestern Virginia, Carroll County in southwestern Virginia, the city of Galax in southwestern Virginia, southeastern Grayson County in southwestern Virginia, Patrick County in southwestern Virginia, southwestern Franklin County until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Patterson to near Baywood to Twin Oaks, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Airy, Galax, Flat Rock, Hillsville, Sparta, Pilot Mountain, and Stewart.